15 July 1583, the Konkani Revolt or the Chieftain Revolt. This was the first revolt against any oppressive rule, the first non-cooperation movement in Asia. Proud Kongolkars, with their valiant efforts, protested against this oppressive rule by not paying taxes. I have moved a private member's resolution to recognize these efforts and include it in the curriculum of school and college at appropriate levels. I am thankful to the Chief Minister for honoring this day, and it would be celebrated at the National War Memorial in Delhi. It is a proud moment for Goa. I would urge to the Chief Minister and to all my colleagues in the Assembly to unanimously resolve and recognize this historic movement. Knowing history and boasting with pride will take us nowhere. Knowing history and inciting hatred will defeat the purpose of studying history. Knowing history and celebrating the good and making sure that the bad is not repeated is the essence of studying history. I am thankful to proud Kongolkars for electing me as their representative, and I will make sure that I will raise my voice and make sure that this historic movement is accommodated in the curriculum of our school and college levels. Dev Bare Karo.